When will I see you again? La 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 la. When will I see you again? I've had a lot of people say I look like Madonna. Oh my god, but she's so old now, she's older now. I'm like the younger version. Tell me when. La 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 la. I don't know what's the matter with you, Zayne. I tried to talk to you, baby, and I like you. I don't want to have any problem that well, at the moment you're not really talking to me, so is it because of the videos I've put on? I should take them all off. I spoke to Panda and Panda said to me take them off, so I'm worried that you're going to be upset if I remove them all because you won't be famous anymore. So that's what I'm worried about. I might just keep a few on there. And I don't want to put you in danger, really. I'm not trying this, just that I love you so much. I liked everything you was doing and you look really cool. Probably I'll just leave the dance ones on there for you. But please let me know because I don't know what to do.